What happens when the major banks won't help you? You've been banking with them for years and now you want a business loan and they're not willing to lend. Now in this video I'll talk about other funding sources, other common lenders to New Zealand businesses. Well, traditional funding sources, mainly our first tier banks, you know the ones, Westpac, ASB, BNZ, ANZ, etc., are still relevant and still conduct most of the lending in New Zealand. We are seeing second tier lenders and alternative funders making a far stronger play for the business loan sector than ever before. The other lenders' offerings are often just as competitive as the major banks, and where the Aussie-owned larger banks are centralising their workforce and forcing you to either call their contact centre or push you online, these alternative funders are working hard to support their clients with a more personal banking offering. It's no secret that New Zealand banks are under pressure from massive regulatory restrictions, including the Responsible Lending Code. Now, these things make it difficult for them to consider anything outside the norm. Now, this has resulted in private funders and second-tier lenders creatively filling the gaps where the banks have made it hard or difficult for you, the client. Progressive businesses will have their eyes wide open to all the options. The larger banks will continue to deliver the lending solutions that they have always delivered. And every now and then they'll introduce a new feature, they'll throw thousands or hundreds of thousands of marketing dollars at it. However, many savvy business owners are attracted to the alternative lenders who will do deals that the banks would often, well, not consider. Now, if you're going to apply for a loan, have a look at this application checklist. It's a loan application checklist in this video here. Now, it's worth noting that over 60% of small businesses in New Zealand fund their businesses with the equity in their family home. Now, banks love this, as their capital requirements are significantly lower on retail housing secured lending than they are for business lending. Now, that results in a far stronger margin for the bank. In light of this, business owners would do well to consider all funding options available. Now, traditional is good, and they have served us well for decades and probably will continue to do so. However, other lenders are more inclined to be creative with how they structure the deal. For example, perhaps you need interest and fees capitalised at the end of the loan, or a small monthly fee and a lump sum repaid at the end of the loan term. Now, ultimately, businesses have more options now than ever and at prices that are often not too dissimilar to the larger banks. And these options are the larger banks of second-tier lenders or alternative lenders. For tips on who you should use to help prepare your loan application, have a look at this video here. Now, I can put you in touch with a number of people trained to find solutions. They will prepare multiple funding options and will work across a large number of first and second tier funders, as well as family offices and private funders to secure the best outcome for your circumstances. Hey, thanks again for watching. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, see you then.